Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Xiaomi recently disclosed that the Mi Band 5 will be announced in second half of 2020 and it looks like its debut is not far away. The Mi Band 5 has now allegedly been certified by the NCC in Taiwan. Now I said allegedly because the certification isn't actually listed as Mi Band 5 but appeared with the model number XMSH10HM. Last year when the Mi Band 4 was certified by Taiwan's NCC, it appeared with the model number XMSH07HM and the Mi Band 3 adopted the model number XMSH05HM. So it is safe to say that this is the Mi Band 5. Now this smart band is going to get some major upgrades in all departments. If you want to know more about this, then check out my another video which I will link in the cards above. However, more details will be coming soon since the launch is closing up, so you should subscribe now if you want to be updated on this topic. In a related development, Redmi Band is confirmed to launch as Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 4C in Indonesia. From the listing, we can assume that Indonesia is one of the markets where Redmi Band will launch as Mi Band 4C. India may as well get this model. According to the listing, the Mi Smart Band 4C comes with a model number HMSH01GE. This model number is noted to be exactly the same as the Redmi Band. Thus, the Redmi Band may be launched in some markets as Mi Band 4C. The Redmi Band offers a decent specs lineup including a 1.08-inch color OLED display, 14 days of battery life, optical heart rate sensor and 5 ATM water resistance. All of that for the price tag of just 95 yuan, that translates to 1000 rupees. More details on these will be coming soon, so subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.